At first, many women have no idea that a sort of game is being played at their work. They expect the same transparent rules to apply as those applied during their school and study periods. You do your best and you are evaluated accordingly in the form of higher grades. If you do more than your best, then you will graduate with honors. In the office, however, the rules are much more diffuse. And actually, many of them are not written in any existing manual. So join me for this online workshop and I will show you these unwritten rules. They will help you to operate strategically and achieve your goals. Get more influence on your own career and on the world. See you there.